This is the interview that the Fix did with Jamal 2 days ago. Yeah, man, we were just talking about it a while ago, so it don't make sense. Let's do the review to the reaction to the interview. So let's check it out.
Show your second out. Or you go take everything give you, man.
Yeah, man, are really entertaining and not only musically but on and off the camera. That man is very entertaining. So this is what that.
If you balance, you see what I say? Yeah, man.
You give me everything, right?
No, more than everything. I'm not everything.
The answer come fast, see, and that's even think about.
Answer now.
Can't give everything, you see?
I was listening to Psalms and you say a lyric I want to ask you about. She wants something to but I tell her leave that alone.
No, the girl something to us still, you know, because you don't know, man, I go rely on the road, you know. I'm not too believing in them things there, you see what I say, so. You don't know, I mean, even get the offer, but I don't know how much I react if a girl say you want something to her, because then two are big, you know.
Like, I feel like you don't go to a pedicure. You know, from the back.
Yo, this a Floridian, my youth. Yo, the night young, you know, Virgin. I don't know what time you're night, my night start till 1 o'clock, you know. You see me answer?
Yeah, I don't know, yeah. You go rely on the road, so you don't know.
These girls don't care.
No business,
Yeah,
you sing Ballon d'Or and all them, I suck.
Yeah, but you don't know. That's a for them thing. You can't find that to office. That's what I'm saying.
Rated D for Dunce. You people come back to the Fix podcast. It's going on here with Ari, Javi.
Hi.
It's a Dunce moment.
Oh gosh.
Because of who joined us in the building right now. The one, the only, Mr. Ballon d'Or himself. Jamal in the building. You see me?
Man of the moment.
Man of the moment.
Yeah. First of all, congrats on that Freedom Street performance. It was really good. You're one of the free people I was like, come around! I actually circled and I was like, good.
Yeah, you know, style, man.
No, my nigga get strike in a dog. Your own nigga get strike. Where are these?
First of all, like it seemed when I was watching you perform, like Cartel knew your song. Like him literally a singing. I mean, I said, wow, that's epic. Like, first of all, you have to tell me, how did that connection happen? Like, you know, was it long time or is just since him come out and
I just the energy, man, you know? Yeah, man, I just the type of music that we are doing, you know? Father just connected to the music to and just give you some energy back, you see what I'm saying? Yeah, you see it?
So he seemed like him really liked that song. Like, did he tell you, like, yo, Ballon d'Or?
Yeah, man, him tell the world, say I'm favorite song, you see what I say? Yeah, man, respect teacher, big up vibes, Cartel, you see what I say? Yeah, 3-9, I could do.
Yeah, because even when you run out, you say, a Gaza, you say, long time.
Yeah, I don't know, you know. That growing, you see what I say? We get a chance to can tell the world that though. Yeah, man, so we need to hit to do it, you see what I say?
Yeah.
So you feel that moment they run up on the stage and...
You know, so the moment they were a mad moment for the big man thing, you know, me not to have them big words, but one of them big words that can describe the moment. You see what I say?
Jamal, I feel like have it tonight. Jamal, I can't stop like say you done.
It's an overwhelming feeling.
I don't
man,
believe you.
Yeah, man, it's an overwhelming feeling, man. You see what I say? It's a great feeling, you see what I say? Yeah, man, it's a feeling of joy, you see what I say? Because remember, you know, the work what we are doing, you know, you see me, I say, if you get a platform like that for showcase it, it's a good thing, you see me, I say?
Yeah. Because, let's talk, because I was watching your interview with Anthony, ER, and you know, you're saying that police kind of have issues with you. You kind of refer to yourself as a Marcus Garvey, but we're going to talk about that. Maybe not. But, you know, it seemed that the police have issues with you being booked for stage shows here locally. So was that an issue for you to be booked at the stadium for Freedom Street?
No, I don't know which part I interview over Anthony, you see that still, but I don't have an issue with the system and the police them.
Let's bring it back here.
See me, I say? Jamal represent 4 corners, you see me? Yeah, man, 3-9.
Yeah, but you didn't refer to yourself as Marcus Garvey, like, yeah, get fired.
Yeah, because more while you have to use things as example, you know, so more while you don't know. Everybody go through them struggle and them fight, so you don't know. At just a moment where me say, all right, Jamal come like when I Marcus Garvey, because you don't know. And everybody love you Dunce, you know. You see me, I say, I just show them see where you Dunce capable of, you know, you don't know. Yes, so.
So wait, you don't
You
think
don't
you're
know.
getting fight? That's what you're saying right now.
Don't think. There is always a fight, man. I make we who is, you see
By
me
the
say?
police?
Yeah.
By everybody, you know, yeah, I don't just police alone.
Alright.
Yeah, signify out nobody. You see me I say, but the struggle is real.
Yeah.
True.
But it's funny you say you're good with the feds because last year, you got arrested in Clarendon at an event. What was that about? Like, why them arrest you? I think it was live and living colors. You were supposed to
You know,
perform.
say, I never Clarendon, I don't in Westmoreland one night time, but you don't know. We never three know what go on. You see me I say, cause we done mash up on one show and a blast to go on next show. You don't know, and we just run up in a roadblock and you don't know.
So them
You
never
don't know,
say.
try Dunce them, you don't know. We have to get the proper checkout, you know, so.
Yeah.
We went there, we get the proper checkout, I see we are again, though. That's just greatness, man.
Oh,
You see, Bree?
okay.
I'm just ask about Cartel too. Were you surprised him actually rate your song them and rate you because him a teacher and you say black of the class. So
Yeah, man.
teacher actually I guess somebody black of the class. Props. That did surprise you?
Of course. Me have a surprise. You see me, a problem with a lie if me say me not surprised. You see me I say? Yeah, because I not see father grown and I give everybody forward. So me I say, so if you pick me out and say, yo, me even have one of my favorite song. Remember teacher have millions of songs, you know. And I greatest lyricist of all time. You see me I say? So for me, have a song where Cartel like January. Me I tell you.
Bro, he was singing the song word for word. Like me, I look at him and I say, yeah, Ballon d'Or.
Big in that, man.
Yeah, man, I'm teaching enough people song differently who never really jump on the thing yet. You know what I mean? Because you don't know. You see me? Yeah.
But the last of the line, I'm just want clear the ear from now. Big bumper clock giant in my iPhone. What that mean? Who's the giant?
Giant in your phone, man, I plug.
The
You
plug.
see me? Are they connect there, you see me?
It's the skull.
Are they connect, you see me?
Alright.
Are they connect when I phone, you see me? Remember you have your connect them two, you see me? I say, you get up a morning time, man.
Yeah.
You go work. You know who to call it for the taxi driver, whosoever, if you can't go where you want to go, whosoever you want to call the giant. You see me? I say, yeah, that there your motivation if you go to work. You see me? I say,
So who are your giant?
my giant, I done some my giant, you know. You see me? I say, yeah, from me get up and say Dunce, come like me just get motivated for just go to work. You see me? I say,
Hey.
believe.
Shawnee B did an interview with you, like in the caption, he's like, you know, having sat down and talked to you and everything, like he questioned, are you really Dunce? So I'm like, you know, when people kind of figure out the method to the madness now, you know, like you still want to prolong this whole Dunce talk, like we
If me
get it.
still want,
Yeah, we get it, like it's...
we been done, son. I know
You're
when
very
me install.
clever.
We been done, son. I know when me install. You see me? I say,
But like, yeah, I guess because when we first spoke to you, like, you know, we
install,
get to explain.
We fling can and nothing for no pig farm. Up to them. You see, yo, Mr. Dunce, bro.
The whole Dunce movement. I was like, yeah, I can get on board with this. Not everything everybody
cause
knows.
not sure me
Dunce,
done, me can't explain something for you, understand
Yeah.
it. So
Yeah.
if me explain something for you, understand it, it up to you if you judge it. So me I say, from based on my conversation with you.
Yeah,
So me I say,
yeah.
Find a pet-friendly Italian restaurant.
We're taking a break out of this podcast to big up Janet's Holistics Beauty, Cosmetic and Personal Care. If you're interested in plant-based skincare, dark spot solutions, eczema treatment, original turmeric soap, you hit up Janet's Holistics. They're located at 1591 Estate Road, 7 North Lauderdale, Florida. And I don't know the area code. If you don't know, go ask Google. You know what I mean? But shout out to Janet's Holistics. She have the beard looking on, you know, luxurious, dark. Go personal testimony, you know what I mean? Also, if you want a discount on any I'm sorry, big up straight vibes, off of any purchase from Janet's Holistics, all right? Now let's get back to the podcast.
I found surprising the interview that Ballon d'Or actually cannot be played. Him say it can't play on TV because of the Broadcasting Commission. So I was wondering,
The ER one.
yeah, the ear, like they couldn't play clips of the song. you know?
well, That the kind of surprising to me, you know, 'cause I
Right.
remember me do a song when he in Ballandor and it's a nice song.
Right.
I see the reason why he could play upon the
Right,
radio,
I
but
found
probably
that
Anthony know a little bit more than me. You see what I say?
Well, I mean, obviously, it
just-
has elements of chop and scam and
Yeah, but
the
Fred,
lingo of
me
chopping
even
and
know,
scamming.
me even know which song good enough to play upon the radio, you know, 'cause those days, you know, I think crazy.
Your business.
So,
Well, that was the question.
Yeah, you know, me little bit business, come here with people them in the hills and all about Jamaica too, you know, and I love the radio too, you know, so. Even this morning, you know, once call me and say, "Hey, you me on the radio, see me," you know what I mean? And, you know, even my mother, she go listen to the radio too, no, Mommy D, you see me? So, big up Mommy D, you see me?
Hi, Mommy D.
Yeah,
So, do
I
you
don't
consider?
know.
Are you thinking about now to make a radio version or a quote unquote clean version for this?
Yeah, that is a must, you know. That is a must, because we want our music fair play 4 corners, so you don't know if we have to make little adjustment, nothing wrong, you see what I say?
So what's keeping you? Because now it's like what 3 months. That interview came out 3 months now, and you know you could have made the adjustment. So what's keeping you from?
You know, we do some adjustment, it's just that you don't know, song didn't really get to play out there yet, you know what I mean? Probably them soon play it.
Oh,
See what I
the
say?
edit.
Yeah, a few of them have it, you know what I mean?
Okay. Going forward, do you think that you want to do that now? Like, make a conscious effort to make at least 2 versions of the songs going forward?
Yeah, which is right, because that's important to you. So I say from the first moment you record the song, we are trying to do that and now in the new year. You see I say just do 2 versions of the song and make sure so the radio here get one and the street get one. You see what I say?
Right.
Yeah.
Because most young artists and I guess artists in this generation, because them have YouTube, they have other internet means of playing. But you said that you care about getting your songs on radio.
Yeah.
Radio. So
It kind of important, you see what I say, because I say we want the music to connect 4 corners, you see what I say, so really and truly the media and the YouTube and the radio is kind of faster pace, but you don't know. You see me say important for have your music to play 4 corners, you see me say, and for me as a Dunce man, if me can get my music to play 4 corners, that is an important thing to me, you see me say, yeah.
We talked to Rajin King earlier in the year. No, like a week
2
ago.
weeks
Like 2 weeks
ago.
ago.
Last week.
Right, I would even talk about the whole Dunce thing or when him did forward it, people never do too take on to it.
Believe.
But now the people them are take on to it. Why you feel like them more take on to it with you now as opposed to like earlier when him did really push it?
No, really and truly, you know, I'm not going to say Rygin never bring the Dunce forward, you know, you see me I say? So the question would have really can be why it go further, you know, than how Rygin did work. Rygin bring it forward to the people, and you see me and the dog, you don't know who near Rygin King, you see me I say? Bad artist, you see me I say? And the dog did bring it a far away, you see me I say? So basically when me, I don't know true, you don't know, I want Dunce man, you see me just there and I just I build upon that, you see me I say? Yeah man, big man thing.
Bro, these damn ads, bro.
Wonder if it's maybe just a time thing. Plug. So,
No, differently with me. Differently with me, as I see the song name time, you don't know, just time for me, you see me I say? Yeah.
But I ask you like, you ever go up on stage and say girls are drugs? You say it all the time. Like what you mean when you say so?
What I mean?
Yeah. Or girl them are drugs.
John knows that.
Let's talk about it.
I don't understand that.
That's
something wrong
reason.
with it.
Really the good drug,
like
right?
what I mean?
Yeah.
You're
All
addicted.
them are drugs.
You're
That's it.
addicted.
Prozac.
Because I get this with them girl out there, you have to be strong. You see me I say?
You're addicted.
Yeah man, you have to be strong man. Me just remind the youth them still, you see me I say, cause you don't know enough youth invest in a woman, you know, more than how they invest in themselves. So I don't like me I tell them, so no,
Drugs, man, we mash up your life just so drugs can mash up your life. Oh, yeah, well, yeah, we gotta go working and crack out. Ah, yeah,
no do nothing for woman. You see me I say, but them have to remember say, you can't give woman them everything, you see me?
True.
Yeah, you have to invest in yourself too, you see me I say, so.
I feel like you had a bad experience. What was the bad experience?
Facts, that's a fact. So me, I was telling you, that mafia. I was telling you the same thing. Don't have to invest on yourself. You can't be trying to. Hey, go to
Let's
Experience.
talk about it. Yeah.
They on TV all about, man, you don't need no experience to know that.
No,
In a
like
movie.
with you personally.
No, man, me no do-
Like
no,
yeah,
no,
which girl
man.
you got addicted to?
No,
and she
man, that's
didn't
something
give
where me
you
know,
and-
that's why me I tell them. Remember, that's something where me know.
So it's not a personal experience.
No, man, we not have to experience that. As me say, they all over. You watch a show right now, you see what a woman can, man. You see me say?
So you've never been addicted to a girl?
Paternity fraud.
No, that's a different thing.
What?
Drugs me addicted to, weed and rum, you see me say? Bad behavior, you see me?
But I never love out like close to mad.
Mad.
Like a girl, yeah. Make a Dunce out.
I know they fix me there. Because I'm supposed to try to fix things and I find out to keep mad already.
Yeah, you say it a lot around Freedom Street, and I'm like, what? Like what?
Yeah, man, I say girls are drugs, you them to take their money below us. You see me? I say so. I just a way for just remind them, you see me?
So like if you settle down with that woman, you still have the said mentality say, I can't get everything.
You still can't, not true you second down. But you have to take everything give you, man. You have to balance, you see me? I say?
Good.
Yeah, man.
You give me everything, right?
No, more than everything. I'm not everything.
The answer come fast, see, and that's even think about.
Answer no.
Can't give everything, you see me?
So make you more special than the rest.
I'm kidding.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So in Psalms, I was listening to Psalms and you say a lyric I want to ask about. She wants something to her, but I tell her leave that alone. And I wonder if that's too far for you, like what's the limit you have in sex? Like she can't suck your toe?
No, man, a girl suck my toe still, you know, because you don't know, man, a girl line the road, you know. I don't too believe in them things there, you see me, I say so. You don't know, I mean, if you get the offer, but I don't know if home would have react if a girl say you want to suck my toe, because then toe are big, you know.
Like, I feel like you don't go to a pedicure.
I say so.
You know,
I don't know, isn't
from the
it?
back of the foot.
Yeah, but I don't know, you're a girl line the road, so you don't know.
These girls don't care.
No business,
Yeah,
you sing ballad doing all that, them are sucking.
Yeah, but you don't know, that's a for them thing, and you can't find another two of it, so that's what I say.
Lincoln, she that say you're not girl is still a girl suck your toe. You're not girl is still a girl suck your toe.
I know.
She probably has said the bigger the better. Jamal told them biggie.
A joke. I give next thing.
So that's too far.
Too sucking thing, man.
I just the song still, I don't know, you see me?
Like you talk, it make it seem as if like most of the songs aren't really from personal experience. So.
Not everything in there.
Right.
You don't know. Some of my song them come with from other people experience too, or where you live and you learn and where you see, isn't it?
Yeah. So like how you know when like if you say you see or your people come to you and tell you things, I guess your friend, you know, no chat and no share with no girls or a drugstore or whatever. Like, how much of it like you think of it as like, this would be a good song? Like have you ever been in that moment? You ever been in that
sometimes
moment?
a reason you get an idea, you see me? Yeah, so you know you keep the idea there and build something upon it, you see me? I say? Yeah, so enough of my song them forward, you see me?
Like you tell your friend, like your friend
Technology has changed over the decades, and that's made music.
Oh my god, I miss. No, right. I would say like how much of it like when your friend at chat and you said, Jaja, I know you're going through a lot right now, but a lyric just come in my mind. Like, has that really ever happened to you?
Yeah, man, enough time you never say nothing. You just know say something flashing in your brain and you just memorize it. You see me? I say?
Yeah.
And probably when you do all this song, you tell a man, say, you know, say, yesterday me out this reason, dog. We get the whole idea already. You see me? I say? And sometimes if I hear musical, brother did we didn't know we're into music. I know everybody in a music, you know, and really care where I'm at the same time. You see me? So you don't know if I'm a Magic's did there or somebody where I deal with the music thing. Me say Magic's all this song. You see me? I say? And they must say, yo, bad, keep it in a rural studio. You see what I say?
Magic's other person there where you can, you see me?
Yeah, man, a Magic's,
talk
man.
about music.
Yeah, man, a Magic's that, man. You see me, I say?
Yeah, because your friends are like, oh, well, you're relating like a shit story of mine, but you make it into music, so it's fine.
Yeah, because I remember most of music, as we say, how you live and you learn, you know, how you see it, you see me? So, you don't know.
I tell you, you have two big songs around simultaneously, Ballon d'Or time. The Jamal, what we know from earlier to now, You see the success so far there right now. Where you put that success down to?
Never give up, dog. No weird pan time.
You know.
I forget up, dog. Yeah. Hey, big tune that in man. Big up yourself. Alan door on time. Big tune them for real.
Oh,
Man.
you really say success still, you know, but you don't know. You see me? A greatness me I deal with, you know, and as me tell you, from I did forward there last time, seeing I work, so you see if me I work, and you reach to a point where I know me alone I see improvement, that means say a greatness. You see me? Yeah, we just there if you just know say what I continue, we want to continue this thing, you see me? Yeah.
The song them go crazy on TikTok. You think say TikTok probably add to somebody?
The whole like social media platform them help, you know, cause we can't count out none, you see me I say? Cause we have fans them use all of them, you see me I say? Sealer. You see?
You see it.
So
Ballon
is
d'Or,
it
you think
that-
say you get the Ballon d'Or for the past year?
If me ever get the Ballon d'Or,
Yeah.
don't give myself the Ballon d'Or already, so me don't know which Ballon d'Or you attack.
Artist of the year,
Yeah,
fam.
this is the Ballon d'Or.
Yeah, you hear me? Everything belongs to a Dunce man, you know, one night time, you know, you see me, so go watch and see what I go on. So me I say,
Yeah. You just said you don't consider as success is greatness. What would you consider as success then?
no, you repeat the word again. Just there try to go against the success.
Oh,
I feel like it was that, you know. I feel like it was that.
Now when the one after me never know. Yeah.
You have man out there himself.
What is that child?
No, you don't have man out there
I
himself.
can't grow up in a today's world, you know, you see me? It's a crazy world, you see
You
me?
guys are so childish.
So it's greatness.
Yeah, man.
You know, I wanted to know is like producers, how quick were they to join on the Jamal train? You know, because I'm sure it wasn't really necessarily easy, but with even the success, even with the
Greatness.
The
the
achievements.
Believe.
of
Believe.
Ballon d'Or, you know, and Time and the album that you had,
And you know, say,
Rated E for Dunce, like
believe. Believe.
how was it? Is it easier now for producers to be like, yeah, yo, I have a rhythm, come on, well, voice on it?
Not for me, you know, but probably for them, cause you don't know, as me say, we been at work how long. So if them really never see say, yes, so we go bring it forward too. Them kind of late pan scene, you see me I say? So me would say easier for your producer, right? No, it probably harder too. You see me I say, cause me done a little circle already too, you know, you see it? Yeah, so if you just see thing right now, I want to jump and say, well,
Up for an adventure?
Always.
just say work, daddy.
What you think is the greatness of that Balanced Door song? You think is you in terms of the lyrics, or is it the production, the vibe? Like, what you think why that song they connect so much?
The song connect because of the whole package. The song, me, my style and everything. And the lyrics and everything. You see me I say so. I just that connect with the people them and put it in a song and them connect with the song too. You see me I say. And even the name of the song, you see me I say, if you check back dancehall, nobody never really name a song Ballon d'Or. You see me I say so. Whole heap a little different thing. You see me I say a pop and the Benz and beep beep. So some whole heap a little different thing in the Ballon d'Or were really different. You see me I say when no man now say them thing there. You see me I say, yeah.
Of course, it far around the time when the whole Ballon d'Or argument did that. You know, the
I want
ball
to
game
say,
where-
I want to say that's why I tell you say a greatness, cause within that time when we do the Ballon d'Or song, a few weeks or a couple months after, the real Ballon d'Or goes up and jump out. You see me I say so. He even go connect the people them back to the Ballon d'Or song again. You see me I say.
Yeah.
So for sure you say we are work with Time and the Universe though.
Is right. What do you think did actually forget the Ballon d'Or?
Yeah, I was about to ask.
Who me?
Yeah.
You know some big man thing? Me don't even remember them people the name. But
That's
differently
a
still. Differently still, mother say a Messi, cause you don't know.
Come, Messi get
You see
enough.
me I
Right?
say?
Look.
Yeah, you see me, but I don't really like say me into the whole. You see me?
Big up Rodri.
Yeah.
Stand on that.
Roger should get that.
Big up the big midfielder.
Yeah, Vinny should get that.
Yeah, I would say it's Vinny.
Vinny should get that. Vinny should get that.
So we
You feel like,
spoke.
go on, Jeff. Go on.
Yeah,
My dog asked him if you feel like you can get better at song making. Like you feel like you improve your craft with song making.
When you call it song making.
Like making songs, like making songs that you know more connected.
Yeah, over time you go improving your cause. As me say, as a supplier, you see me, whatever the consumer them a feed off or eat, you go continue to feed them with. So it allow you to choose to, you see me. So the Dunce say them like Ballon d'Or, them like time. You see me I say so. The way them here swing the music right now, you see me I say. Yeah.
Seeing the greatness of Ballon d'Or and time, like what else you'd want to achieve to be greater than this?
Well, I want to achieve everything we're possible in the music, you know, which is we have to do with greatness. You see me I say, I not put no limit on myself, you see me I say, but would I want to achieve as much, you see me I say? Yeah, as much. Go as far as dancehall can bring me. You see me, if I represent my people, them, and my fans, them, and my friend, and my family, you get me I say? Make them proud to you, see me?
Definitely. We spoke about your performance at Freedom Street, but you were also set to perform at Sting. So how do you feel about the last minute cancellation of the show?
You know, I said, Jamal is a youth, still love perform for fans, them, you know, so anytime a show cancel, I go Bex, you know, you see me I say, cause big man thing, love work for my people, them, you see me? So.
You did have to give back your deposit?
You know, I do my business part, big man thing.
Did your team have to give back the deposit?
I really know what go on, you see me, because I just do the work. You see me? Yes, I don't really know what go on with the paperwork. I remember me Dunce, you see me?
Stop lying, Jamal. We know
you don't want the money there for spend. You get it already done. Now give it back.
It wouldn't be your first time I perform a Sting?
Yeah, big man thing, you see me?
So they actually reach out to you?
I always go watch thing and them thing there for not all the time, you see me?
The team did reach out to you though?
Yeah, man, the team they reach out and sure said the show postponed and you see me, we don't have no control over that, so we just have to say right, you see me?
I'm sure, as you say, like you did look forward to having that moment up on the Sting stage where you perform a Ballon d'Or in front of.
Which is right, you know? Which is right.
That'd be a bad moment for real.
Yeah.
Your songs, well, your lives, and I guess, you know, when you talk, when you TikTok live and everything, like people use it a lot on TikTok. So much so Energy use it for his intro for the song Impolite. Like when you see that, like you get money from something there, like how that work.
Still going back on the money thing again.
Well, how does it work? Did he reach out to you and say, yo, I'm going to put, you know, you're going to be the intro for this song?
Energy?
Yeah.
I want Energy and my dog, man, you see me? I want to youth them just the same, man, I'm a nigga, man, you see me? So you don't know.
So a conversation never ever really need to happen this.
No, man, he good, man, you see me? He dog good, man, he dog do and do, man, and he good, you see me, I say? Yeah, me also feel good to say, dog, me say something, man, he dog could have put in him intro or in him music to help. Catch some fans already, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you see, people seem to connect with that, like, you know, when you just talk and...
You don't know, people always connect to enough things I'm saying, okay? You don't know when you sugarcoat nothing in it, you see what I say?
Yeah.
You also do work with TJ?
TJ?
Yeah,
artist TJ?
Yeah, think say a video do.
Yeah, man, TJ, I'm a nigga to you, see me, I say? You know TJ for a long time, you see me? TJ first bring me to Sunfest, you see me, so I have to big up TJ, UTC, up top, 39, you see me, I say?
So TJ actually used to produce for you?
TJ?
Yeah.
The producer TJ?
No.
Which TJ actually?
See him up top box. Because then, like it did, like a Star Plus to them,
TJ the artist.
Yeah.
Man, TJ is a all-purpose in the music, you know. You see me, I say, yeah, man, he can engineer, he can do whole heap of things, isn't he?
Don't still have like a connection and all that?
Yeah, man, I'm a brother, just the same to man, you see me?
Mobile link.
All
the
you see
mobile
me?
artists, you know good? Like, you know?
All of we good, man, you see me? Yeah, man.
I know phone, no. Like, I feel like from, like, we don't say no.
I'm about like 2017.
Yeah, like it's like a bunch of artists, especially that dominate.
Boss out and Moby.
Come from Moby. Like I'm like, what's in the water over there? Like, is it just now? Is it? I just know.
I always have only for talent and Moby still in it. It's just that, as me say, youth them just learn the craft and find out how to get them music out more to the wider market, you see me? And for more fans and more audience, you see me?
Because you feel like could always like gonna dominate the West. So like Moby, Westmoreland, Hanover, like Trelawney.
Yeah, because if you come from Moby, you're on that side of the music automatically. Because people them black and forth, they say, you see me? So it's easy to get connected with them more than the people them on the far side. So probably if you come out of Kingston, you definitely have to go drive out and build 2 connections around Kingston and some style and you don't know. You see me? Which a part of music that, you see me?
Yeah, because was it like difficult to always like to be driving and you feel like music, dancehall music, the epicenter
never
was
too difficult for work for what you want, you know? You see me? I say? Yeah, because nothing ever go forward easy. As you don't know me say believe, so you have to be a true believer, you see me? So now I'm going to say difficult, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I have collabs with Raging King from, the past. Will I do a collab with him now? Like, can I get a song?
Yeah, man, Raging, I'm a dog, man. 100 song if you want song a morning or miss a song, man. You see me? I say that's true. It's a Dunce moment. It's like me just want to show the people them say I'm capable, you see me? Just like the rated the EP, you see me? I say, cause me a whole heap of friend, me a whole heap of nigga with artist to say all my dog they see me, you see me? I say, but well, you see me? I say, but me just want, cause me never get the chance in a music yet for y'all to see me stand out by myself, you see me?
Yeah.
Yes, so me did want to do this and show the people them say me can do it too. And me get the response after EP and me tell us, John, I love it. You see me?
I feel like a further vindication, so me there for stay there as an artist because people them did in the earlier stages of when, you see me, the career did a rise and thing like them did know Jamal, but me not feel like them did really connect with the song them like that, but them know the dance move, them know you, but I feel like the song them are really a connect now. Like I feel like a further vindication, say me there as an artist.
Believe the man.
Believe.
You know, as me show you say, the people them choose them song and them time when for rain, so we always just put in the work, you know, you see me I say? So, I don't know how you look to others, you see me I say, but for me there, so right now, me appreciate it, you know, but you don't know, a long time we do this, you see me I say, so we kind of used to the lifestyle, you see me I say?
Yeah.
So, it never really frightening, but I still appreciate say more people are gravitate to the world. Jamal as an artist and the Dunce character and Ray, you see me I say?
You find it getting busier now, like, in terms of
man, busy man, busy,
plays.
but because the people them, majority of people them Dunce, they want to see Dunce. So me say they want all the vibes, you see me? So they want to be their true self, you see me?
Yeah.
So what you going to do? You see me? If you believe in what you do, who you going to link? Half you Dunce, you see me? I will say true believer, not a new believer though.
Yeah.
True believer, not a new believer.
Yeah,
You always come up with something, like on the brain work, like on the brain just come up with things and then ever rhyme. Like what?
Yeah, cause me I show you say my thing based on belief.
That is the only thing I like with the fix, them all up and call them kind of out of touch. Like, I first I hear they saying it. I ain't a music and you're supposed to be in touch and know them thing there.
You see me, I say, cause remember enough, your man same Dunce, you go have to believe in something if you can interact with everybody, you see me, I say? Yeah, so I believe bring me this way, you see me, I say, and I believe me use forget when I go, you see me, I say? Yeah, me have to believe, you see me, I say, me have to willing to accept, say, alright, me don't know this and me don't know that, but me willing to learn it, you see me, I say?
Yeah.
Yes.
You always have the mindset that I just know.
Right, true, you see me,
Always, I remember from the first, he's,
Right,
and that's why I subscribed to it in the beginning. I'm like, why would anyone call themselves Dunce? So when him explain me, I say, yeah, and everything y'all gonna know.
But most people are pretending, you see me, I say?
Yeah, but then no one wants to say they're Dunce.
But
Right?
nothing wrong with saying, say, yo, me don't know that.
Yeah.
Me don't want to know that. And nothing wrong with me knowing that acknowledge say me don't know.
No, you see, if you can shame yourself, it's better for you, you know.
True that.
You see me?
We're taking the next break. This next break out of the podcast to big up Rims and Rims Limited located at Rims. Oh, my Rims them did And big.
Talk about your friend.
Let's get back to the podcast.
Talk about your friend. I don't know if you would consider him a friend, but 41 Boss said, you know, he was a TikToker, a popular TikToker, but there you were seen with him a couple of times online. Is he a friend? Was he a friend of yours?
Yeah, man. I know Boss said long time, man. Boss said a street youth. You see me I say? Yeah, man.
So
R.I.P. to you, dog.
Yeah. So did his death affect you? Like,
he affect all of people. You see me I say? Me not say me personally, but differently. You don't know it affect me too, cause me know him. So you don't know at some point. I say John, no, dog, but the road is a wild place, is it? You don't know.
Like, were you shocked to see that, you know,
man,
like them go film live?
It's surprising, man, you see me? It's surprising. Surprise everybody, you see me?
Yeah. And he mentioned something about Shalom, so like he was, the Shalom's not your friend, but you're saying that them go for Shalom in the river. Things like that,
you don't know me, some man me touching media, just gimmicks and all of them things they did just base upon. Me just a whole of vibes with my fans, them, you see me?
No, I know, right. But I was just saying, like, the brazenness of it, I guess, or the wildness of it, where them actually got on live and attack him while he was on live, like
on him birthday,
and things like that. Like, did that even trouble you? Meds a little bit in terms of Jaja, the live, like you actually got kill him on live.
As me sure you say, it's surprise to everybody and it shake up everybody. You see me I say? So. I just one of them moment they were surprised. He say, yo, yes, busted Ray. You see me I say, but what we can do nothing about it. You got man gone already, you see me I say, so. If you just say R.I.P. to busted, is it?
How that affect you to operating on live now, where you say, you know?
Me?
Yeah.
No, man, I'm buy my phone, man. My phone a different thing, man. You see me I say,
well, but I'm sure Fatu and buy my own phone.
Me buy my phone, man. You see me I say, Dunce, man. You see me?
Yeah.
Are you and him like close? Like, how close are friends around?
As me assure you, say me know Boss said long time, years now. You see me I say? Boss said he's a street youth. And if you understand who is a street youth, he's a youth where you find you're going on the road, you go see Boss said, you see me I say? Yeah.
Remember when we talked to you, either the first or second, we talked about farming a Dunce group. At least for farming a group, like you'd a farmer group. So I want to know if you have that in mind of a farm like a Dunce group now.
No, we don't have a group. We have a Dunce movement. You see me I say? Rated D, you see me? We have a Dunce movement. That's why we're there and I uplift people them one type of way. Cause if you realize me live and tell people them say believe. You see me I say? Yeah, and them have to go look at work who not work and find something to do. You see me I say? There is no more time for your waste again. You see me I say? Somebody have to find, everybody need to find something to do. And no matter what you are do, to feed your family, if you make yourself comfortable, just continue to do that. You see me I say? Cause I just that my Dunce thing is about still. You see me I say? You have to help motivate people them when we feel like say them now go. Get the motivation they find somebody else. You see me I say? I give them plain and straight cause I not use the big word I tell them. You see me, they must know where go look at what mean. You see me I say? Find something to do. You see me I say? Stop waste time. You see me I say? Yeah, so you have to just believe.
Yeah.
That's that way I use, you know, cause I remember, you know, Dunce, me I said Dunce from 2013, 2012. You know? How much year that?
That's over 10 years that man.
That me I show you, so I just believe you.
You know how much you know, you just you know.
Like when somebody help me, you know.
Ari can't help you.
She Dunce pan mats, legit Dunce pan mats. Still a counter.
So the Dunce movement don't necessarily mean you're gonna bring on other artists under one umbrella, like Six or whatever.
No, I mean I use umbrella in my thing, you know. You see me?
What?
Yeah, big man thing, you see me? So,
You use a raincoat?
as me I say with the motivation and the energy when me I send off in the universe.
Yeah.
I want even have to know him if he connected. You see me I say? Yeah, I have to just remember the thing them where Dunce man tell him and Dunce man say. You see me I say? So if I music he must study, if I farming, if I whatever business, you have to just remember say, yo, believe I can where you want. You see me I say? Yeah.
But you bring artists now. Like,
no, I mean I bring the artists. If the artists are artists already, we just have some artists where we connect with and we just keep the link, cause you don't know.
One
You see
Dunce
me I say?
movement.
Yeah, I see him community, so. A music community. You see me I say? Everybody have them little artist friend. You see me? Me and my artist friend them too, man. You see me? Big man thing. You see?
You think it hard to keep friends in that business? Eh?
No, cause most of my friend them are from day one to, you know, friend. You see me? Yes, so I never like a no new friend thing, you see me? I just sometimes, some people, them don't really understand, you see me? So, how them start, see them start talk from, you see what I say?
You believe in a new friend thing?
I don't know, you know, we not gonna say we know in a no new friend thing, you know, cause more well, niggas vote through niggas, you know, so we have to just keep your eyeball them peel, you see what I say?
Yeah, cause sometimes the old nigga them switch up and them get bad mind and them this things
Not really
like that.
switch up neither, you know, cause we need to have the experiences still, you know, cause me say, see tour we done, so keep a different understanding with the once and once, you see?
That happened with you where you fall out with friends and what you did it from day one?
Not really, you know what I mean? Probably friends just change and I do separate things. Cause we have friends we are married for them at 21, you see what I say, and we are laugh.
Me too.
I don't know, I have to just accept life, you see me?
Jaja.
Me too.
What's so wrong with that?
That's too early. That's
No.
way too early.
You just love us. I just say,
Yeah, well, you don't know, we have to say John was early, dog, you see me? Yeah,
When you get married, when you have love to get married.
I don't know. I'm too done to married. You see me? I don't think nobody
Here
gonna
we
really
go.
want done to married me, you see me? Yeah, I'm too done to married, you see me? Yeah.
You don't need to be smart to marry. Like, yeah.
No, you have to have sense to married, you have to bright for married, man.
True.
What you say, man?
True.
You have to smart for in a relationship, man.
True. Anybody ask them, I say,
Yeah, what
too
do you
done
do,
to
man?
have pit me now.
Yeah.
so you're not there with nobody then?
Him have pitney.
What I mean by?
You have pitney.
Me get you.
Him get
Oh, yeah,
you.
get you. It's okay.
But you're not there with nobody.
Visit Coral Springs Kia. We're here to help you get behind the wheel of the right vehicle.
Yes, you.
If me not there with nobody,
Are you too Dunce?
Chan.
Yeah,
When the question them dark.
Because I'm too done to them, it's bad.
Oh man,
That's
people
say
there,
I was
people
smart.
there with me, man. Remember me dance.
okay,
You see me?
So you soon get smart for married though.
No, me never gonna change. You see me I say?
You're not changing? We're going to play that clip for 10 years from now.
Yeah, man, I see him,
But
man.
you see, Jamal married his long-time girlfriend.
Yeah, man.
I said I always go for a long time girlfriend. I want for a long time.
10 years, yeah.
And then you find out why. You see me?
Him actually get smart. That's what it is. You got smarter.
Probably she 10 times richer and me and more piece of money.
Jaja.
You see me?
Chop, you get chop.
Dance.
Giant in my
Yeah, that's
iPhone.
gonna be the best time for real.
You see me? I say?
That's gonna be the best time for real.
Oh,
Just believe.
my God.
Just believe.
It's a mindset.
Mindset.
That's
A real
crazy.
thing, man.
God.
That's
But I
crazy.
gotta ask if you find like no friend crawl up from some crevice and say, yo, since you get this new success and new, you see me?
Not
Greatness.
success.
Oh, sorry, yes. Sex. Sex, suck your mother. I know that. Yeah, like some friend was say, yeah. Me need to get peace out, you see me?
I
Some of the
am
band.
not going to say that because as me I say from day one, they don't them never short staff, you know, so. We always have a whole heap of friends and niggas we always believe in them, you see me? And even some of them make me there so right now, you see me I say?
But I wonder if some of them never believe from at all the time and now them I say them believe.
You know, so me never really, as me say me there black eye class, so me never really get to pay attention to who name believe, because I try to find myself in the circle where who believe, you see me? Yes, so me not really look that way there, you see me? Big man thing.
You never
see
do
me?
a school tour, like, to tell kids?
I know that's a good question still, but because
Not
this is
to
a
do
thing when me try if do, you see me? You see to how the whole Dunce thing did,
Hot, yeah.
yeah, and the people them quick for judge the whole thing. A whole heap of school call me get and me just turn it down, you see me?
Why?
No, as me I show you say, you know. Remember, you know, me Dunce the true, you know. You see me I say? And them parents here work them hard earn money and I send them pitney to school, you know, you see me? Me ain't really want to go interfere with that as a dunce man. You see what I say? Me did want to stay in my little own space and do what I do until the whole of the people, them and the parents and everybody really have the complete understanding. You see what I say? Like what you see, them the Ballon d'Or, the time. I may tell them, say, no, give up on them thing there, you know. Here, me probably consider it. If I realize me never go in a khaki clothes yet, you see what I say? As the dunce man. I me never shoot a video in our classroom. Me choose not to, you see what I say? Yeah, so even the said dunce bag, you see what I say? Yeah, them owe me. You see me? Yeah, but if you realize me never wear one yet, and me never support it. Me remember me forward and say, yo, left you them out of this, you know, cause you don't know any. You see me? I say, me never really want to get the parents them upset, cause parents them dark too, you know. You see me? I say, yes. So,
and them dunce.
You just go and do what me I do, you see me? Yeah, and not just for the money, you know, you see me? Yeah, cause you have to know say what you are forward with, it. It's not like you're wrong, you know, but people get the concept. You see me? I say? They misunderstand things. So sometimes you have to wait, cause I don't got time, you know.
Because I was saying 2022, you said that Jamal to drop Dunce. This was with the Jamaica star.
Me always tell him, say, up you want go. You see me? I say, yeah, me want them.
I feel ready at the time.
Me always ready for them, and them not ready for me, cause I'm too dunce. Remember, a whole heap of stages then go through for reach, so. So for me, just get big as them want go up, they go ask them question or them ask me question, them probably feel like me not ready yet, but me ready anytime.
I feel like you'd be really good for like a sociology entertainment. Dr. Donna Hope, she teaches dancehall. It's like as a sociology. Yes, it'd be really good.
So just me that me just kind of avoid the old school thing. You see what I say?
But no, you feel like no.
That's why I'm corrupt more while let me see some man jump in a dunce thing and run go put on all khaki or something. You see what I say? Yeah, so yo, you see them never understand the whole dunce thing. You see me? Yeah. You see me?
Because many people again. Them hear the word dunce and them know what it mean on face value. But again, when you come and talk to you realize that it's much more than just what it is on face value.
Yeah, remember says the dunce is a thing where really I give a youth a second chance. You see me say? It's not try for this track him from him first chance. You see me say? Yeah.
You get angry comments from parents?
I get that now.
I don't know. I can't read the comments and know if I want parents.
Remember say I
the team ever say, yo, dunce man, like the parents they must say this and that, bobo, yeah, dunce movement that. Yeah,
no, as I say, remember in my song, I said the first time I said dunce people bash that.
Yeah.
Now everybody dunce. Check the cabinet, the whatnot. You see me I say so? It's a thing with me I show you say.
Dick's Sporting Goods believes that sport has the power to change lives. It's happened here for decades. Here in Miami, we've seen the
when you first forward with something, sometimes you even have to be dunce. It's just that when you new, because you will come up with something new right now and try you come up with it, you don't really connect. But she did out a road and her favorite artist or her favorite person said it would have resonate one way. You see me?
So you realize the impact as an artist. Because many, especially young artists, and it's your generation, always try to run away from the responsibility and the power and the influence in the wheel. You get
I don't really run away still. You see me? It's just that people always pick out artists, you see me I say? Yes, so we always tell them say, oh, you have a youth in a yard that watch one action show where man head a chop off in night, you see me I say? But as artists say two things, on a bash artists, so I don't really run from the responsibility. I just feel like say people I give artists too much responsibility.
Okay.
You see me I say?
Okay.
And them forget how them did grow. As me say in my last interview, say, younger can show your youth so much. You see me I say? Yeah, because see me there, so right now, me telling you one of my songs, say, I'm a meteorologist. My mother did want me to be, you see me I say? And see me there, so artist. You see me?
Yeah.
So, check the levels. You see me I say?
She's not disappointed.
She probably at first, but sometime, if you're still sure, say you're capable, For be this a person in the field where you choose, you don't know you get our support same way, you don't.
The first time I ever hear somebody say that, like, them parent want him to be a meteorologist. Normally, we hear doctor, soldier, police, lawyer, teacher.
At one point,
what mommy like?
At one point, I was like, wait, meteorologist?
Tell me something different, you know. I understand, isn't it?
And the weather for today is... and we're expecting a new hurricane in the system, in the tropic, in the Atlantic Ocean.
Yeah, see Jamal do that.
It bring us a picture, you know, like, the weather for... Yeah, we can't read this, but not a Dunce.
Yeah, man, when me tell them storm I come, then go believe, man. Come here forward out and say, me tell you this, man. Storm today, no.
Just
you see
believe.
me? And when me say that, me gone.
Just believe,
so
man.
say a serious thing, you see me? Yeah, man. No joke thing, man.
That's funny. You
You see
have to do a video with that.
Please, one TikTok.
Yeah, man.
She tell you why she want to be a meteorologist or what?
No, you don't know. Me.
Feel like she just watch
going
Evan
to
Thompson.
explain,
Yeah.
you see me? You see me?
She don't watch Evan Thompson.
Probably a true rain, probably Alice I wet up her clothes.
I mean, you to be able to tell me when this rain happens.
That makes sense.
You know when the have the clothes, man. Like, it makes sense.
Now you can buy her a dryer, Jamal. Now you can buy her a dryer.
Yeah, man, which is right, isn't it? Yeah, man, which is right, isn't it?
That's hilarious.
Yeah,
Like, you
man.
must feel good to able if you can even provide them with for your people them and for your parents in certain way now. They probably couldn't do so before.
Yeah, it's that, remember, in a life, certain things in a life are always on priority, you know, where you as a man, if you're a real man, you go take responsibility of so. For me, reach a stage where I can do something for my mother and for my parents. It's a joy, you know what I mean? Yeah, because enough big man like me, I wait for their mother to come from work, you know. You see all you know?
Talk about it.
Tell you, man.
Talk about it, man.
Rough.
What?
Yeah. Nah, man, enough big man out there wait for their mother. You see me?
You come in from work, man.
Yeah.
Get money for go buy cigarette and rum. Look on it too.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Wait for them to come cook and say, mommy like them up.
Telling you.
That's rough. That's rough.
Waste, man.
Yeah, man, and don't want the people them forget to stream the EP, you know, because
Yeah,
I do
that's
good
what
in
I'm
it. You see me?
we're
I say?
about to wrap up now. So, you
Yeah.
know, you said the success is there. What
Greatness.
The greatness is there. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, man, you see me?
Again, with the greatness of it, though, like it's unexpected, I'm sure. But is there any new thing gearing up, like?
Yeah, man, a whole heap of thing, man. You see me? I say? Yeah, and them to look out for the time video, because anytime now, you don't know, we have some singles I work on. Yeah. We have more videos from the EP.
Yeah.
You see me? I say?
Because Ballandor wasn't on the EP. So it's
no,
like a single
because differently still, I didn't want to do the EP with a different side of Dunce, man. You see me? I say?
Yeah.
So I try for just say, all right. Them 8 songs I want, 8 different songs.
Like more songs like that.
I feel say that even make it connected to the people them so cause probably them never look for see Dunce, man. I say them. Things like transparent, everything when we do now people see it. You see me? I say them type of song then. You see me? Forever Wealthy and Time where the people them love so much. You see me? I say so. Is
Alright, gang. I appreciate y'all rocking with your boy on the first episode of the pod. You see me? I say? First episode of the podcast. I don't know what time it is. On the live stream, we're going live more often, gang, as promised, and we're going to be talking about more topics, more streamlined, with more viral videos. You see me? I say so. I appreciate y'all rock with your boy. I think I'm going to end it right here today. As you know, I'm going to repost the clippings for you.